To calculate simple interest, first of all, clear all the data as I mentioned earlier. Then, if you click on SMPL switch, it is simple interest calculation switch. So, you got this particular menu. Here, set. Here, what you have to set is whether year is for 360 days or 365 days. So, generally it is 365 days. Okay. So we have to choose here 365 days. Then for how many days you want to calculate interest. So here if we go for say 780 days, okay, 780 days calculation, then here annualize rate of interest, or if you give somebody money, say 1 lakhs or 2 lakhs, and you ask for simple interest like 12%. Okay, so here write down, type 12%. Okay, here if you want to calculate on 2 lakhs, so here type 2 lakhs present value, PV for present value. So here you got a if you want to know how much amount as the interest you will get, so here is the solution. So after coming here, you have to switch execution switch. So you got interest, how much interest you got by investing 2 lakhs rupees at the rate of 12% by simple interest. At the same time, SFV, if you click on SFV button and go for execution, then you got future value of your amount. So by this way you can calculate simple interest. To understand simple interest calculation, let's take one example that Mr. A taken a loan of rupees 1 lakhs at the rate of 12%, and he has to pay simple interest. Okay, it is not a compound interest, so he has not have to pay interest on interest. So here we calculate simple interest and how much amount he required to pay at the end of 6 months. Always this particular simple interest calculated on daily basis. So let's calculate through use of phone. First of all, clear all the data as earlier mentioned. Then click SMPL button. So you got this particular menu. Here we have to choose here 365 days. How many days of year? So 365 days. Okay, so take it as a default. Now how many days, after how many days? So if it is a after 6 months, so it is 182 days. Okay, now interest is at 12% as here already mentioned in the problem. So present value means how much he has taken the loan. So 1 lakh. Okay, so 1 lakh he has taken. The present value is 1 lakh after 6 months. Because of this particular rate of interest, it will increase. Okay, how much increase? Let's calculate. So by using our calculator, we can see that by submitting all this data and come to this particular we come to this particular line and move your cursor over there and solve the problem. So on solution of this particular, we got to know that simple interest is 5983.56. okay, 0.56. So we can take 5984 as a whole figure. So SFV means total value. Total value means capital plus interest. So SFV will be 1,05,984. So this way we can calculate simple interest. It is really very simple, and it is used generally in normal problems in examination. And